Backhoe loaders are versatile heavy equipment used in construction, landscaping, and material handling. They combine the functions of a loader for scooping and lifting materials, and a backhoe for digging and excavation. Solid tires are often chosen for backhoe loaders, similar industrial vehicles operating in harsh environments where pneumatic tire damage is frequent. Susceptibility to punctures from sharp objects requires regular monitoring and adjustment of air pressure. Since there is no air, solid tires are 100% puncture-proof. Rough environments. While heavy-duty pneumatic tires have strong sidewalls, they are still vulnerable to punctures and flats in debris-filled environments like construction sites or scrapyards. Solid tires are specifically designed for harsh environments where flats are a major concern. Their durability makes them ideal for industrial equipment like forklifts that operate on surfaces with sharp objects.